Uploading a video the right way on YouTube, often referred to as optimizing, directly impacts views by helping the algorithm understand, categorize, and recommend the content to the correct audience. Proper upload procedures, including keyword-rich titles, detailed descriptions, custom thumbnails, and using end screens, are critical for maximizing visibility and click-through rates. Today, let us see how we can upload our video in the proper way.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, they cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions. Well, I said goodbye. Hanging on, walking tall.